I always felt like I was creative, but I didn't know it. I felt like I was stuck in the middle of the US and Kansas and couldn't unleash what I wanted to. Art supplies were super hard to come by, but I just wanted to paint, and paint was always with me. Art made you feel empowering. You could be who you wanted to be, kind of like a superhero. That's why I think art education is so important. I'm very fortunate to work with LIFEWTR to reach 10 million students and teach them art and the importance of it. Art education funding in Texas is one of the lowest in the nation. Anybody that can mentor you as an artist, I think that's the most important thing. We're here to reach them one class at a time, one student at a time, and one canvas at a time. I'm Jason Netherly. I'm an artist, and Texas is my canvas for change.